Today we will solve the exercise of Venn diagram. So I explained more about Venn diagram yesterday. So today is the question. The four Venn diagrams A, B, C, D. These are A, B, C, D are given to you. Element of each of the following question represented by one of the diagram, means here 1 2 3 4 5 questions are there, and you have to find the correct Venn diagram according to the condition of the question. So how to find? See the first question, girls athletes roots. So which one is the correct option? So girls can be athletes, but roots are different from girls and athlete. So which one is the correct? See, girls can be athlete, means they intersect to each other, but root is different. So answer of first is B. You will write B here. Now next, apple, mangoes, oranges. So apple, mango and oranges, they all are the fruits, but here no big circle is here and three small circles inside them. Then which one is the correct option? Apple, mango, orange. This is the correct, apple, mango and oranges. Now next, star, moon and Mars. Stars are different because stars are having own light. Moon is a satellite, and Mars is a planet. So they all are the different. So which one is correct? A. So right here this is A. Third one also A. Next, question number 4. In question number 4, males, cousins, nephews. Okay, males can be cousins, cousins can be nephews also. So the answer is D1. Why? Because you can check. See, this is males, cousins, nephews. So nephews are also men, males are also nephews, cousins are also nephews. So this one is the correct option. Next, man, worker, garden. So man and worker. Man can be worker, but garden is different. So man can be worker, means they will intersect to each other, but garden is different. So it is apart from this group. So the correct option is B. Okay. Now next question, study the given Venn diagram and answer the following question. This is the Venn diagram, this is circle, this is rectangle and this is triangle, and the condition is given to you. The rectangle, in rectangle SQRP, they are the married peoples, and circle, see TSQ, they are the people who live in a joint family, and in triangle they are the school teachers. Okay, so this is the condition for Venn diagram. And asking this question number 6, why which letter? You have to find a letter, the people who live in a joint family but neither married nor teachers are represented. So how to solve this type of question? It is very simple. First, you will find the starting condition. See, the people who live in a joint family. So first you will write the pupils who lived in a joint family. Joint family is represented by circle. So in circle, how many numbers are there? See, T, S and Q. T is in circle, S also is in circle, Q is also is in circle. Now, neither married. See, merits are the merits are represented in rectangle. So neither married. This is married, Q and S also married, but T is not married. So cut this both letters. Okay. Now, nor teacher. Teachers are represented by C. This is triangle. So T is the correct option. So A is the correct. Clear? 7. By which letter the married teacher who live in joint family are represented? So first find the letter who are living in joint family. In joint family is represented by circle and the letters are T, S and Q. Now you have to find the married teachers. So teachers are represented in, this is the triangle is represented for teacher. So teacher are living in joint family only Q, because Q is in circle. Okay, married teacher and married peoples are See, this is for rectangle. Married are S and Q, but teachers also. So Q is the correct option. B is the correct. Okay. Now, eighth one. By which letter the married people who live in joint family but not are a school teacher? Means find the member who is not a school teacher but married. See, so married are represented by, in joint family, it is clear. T, S, and Q. Married are these are married. S and Q. Okay. Now find the uh, married person who is not a teacher. So teacher is Q because Q is in triangle. Triangle is represented for teacher. But S is married as well as not a teacher. So D is the correct answer. Okay. Now question number 9. Now question number 9. Which of the following Venn diagram correctly represent the relationship among river, ocean and water sources? Okay. So it is very clear. River is a water source. Ocean is also a water source. So water source is the universe, like this universe for these things. So this is the correct option because this is water source and river and oceans are inside the water source. So D is the correct answer. Okay. Now 10th, which of the following Venn diagram correctly describe the relationship amongst clothes, flowers and bright things? So clothes, flowers and bright thing, they intersect to each other. Why they intersect to each other? Because clothes can be bright, flowers can be bright. That's why this is the correct answer. Okay. Next, 11th. Which of the following Venn diagram best represents the relationship amongst the professor, author, and female? So, see, professors can be author, authors can be female, means female can be authors, and female can be professor, and professor can be female. So, it is clear they all are joined to each other. See, it means they intersect to each other. So B is the correct option according to the condition given in question. Clear?